Hi, I'm Howard from Crazy Tech, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of a FiFine K669L desktop microphone. Last week I tested the T669 FiFine that has a boom arm and also has a desk stand, and now I'm going to just test the one that is very similar. Actually, it's the same, but it only comes with a desk stand. And let's do the unboxing. Purchased it from Amazon, and here's the box. Let's open it up. Let's see, here we go. Kind of a small box, and everything fell out of it. The instruction manual, and there's a microphone, and this is the pedestal desktop mount. And later on I'm going to do a test on my computer. There's the microphone. There is the volume control for your gain, and that's a good feature of this particular microphone, to T669, K669. And this is the mount. This cable goes directly into the microphone. The T669 had a plug that you would plug the cable into. This is already wired in. Simply and the element's right in there, so you would talk into that part of it. And this plugs into the USB port of your PC or Macintosh. This is a studio quality microphone for podcasting, streaming, and even singing. It has a frequency response of 20 Hertz to 20 kilohertz, and it's a plug and play. I like the blue color. They have various different colors. This is like $28, $29 on Amazon. One of many studio quality microphones that has gain control. I'm going to be doing some tests on my PC, and I will come back later on with the tests.